Alright, so now let's see the unboxing of OnePlus Watch 2. So this video right now it's shot on the OnePlus Open. So let me know about your thoughts in the comments. The audio is recorded on the OnePlus Open as well, so you have a very good comparison on how it looks and how it sounds like. Alright, so here again we have the box with some information here. It's based on Wear OS by Google. You can see some information here. Alright, okay, so now let's get in the struggle of removing this packaging again. Alright, I'm gonna take my magic keys again. Alright, I just need to do a little cut just to be able to remove this film. Alright. Okay, great stuff. Alright, so I would assume probably this is gonna just come out like this. Yeah. Okay. Right. Quite stubborn. Oh, okay. Isn't this a beauty? Alright, let's... Okay, alright, so first you're supposed to open this probably. I'm just wondering, so probably here we have the charger. Here we have the watch itself. Right. Here we have quick start guide. Let's see the charger really quick. Okay. Okay. Oh, all right. So we have an USB-C connection for the charger, as you can see here as well. It's quite small. Alright, and now just let's move this packaging aside, and here we have the beauty. So what's it saying here? So this is a home button, and that's power on and multifunction button as well. Alright, so I'm just gonna slide this. Let's quickly remove this as well. I believe I have to do more unboxings. It's like I'm struggling with every packaging. Okay, I guess I found it or not.
One eternity later.
Okay. Alright, finally. Okay. Take a close look at the watch again. So here we have all the sensors, and here we have the pins for charging. These two buttons. It's looking kind of sick, to be honest. I wasn't expecting it to look so nice. Let's try to power it on. Alright, OnePlus logo. Let's see how it fits on the hand as well. So Alright, it's not too bad, to be honest. Looks fine. I would say probably it's the perfect size for my hand. I would say it's the maximum size that I would wear, but it's good to have a big screen, at least for me. Alright, let's see, it's doing its things there. Alright, and then we can set it up. Oh half, okay, next. Alright, so looks like we can't finish setting it up without getting into the app, so I'm gonna leave setting up later. So that's the watch. One more close look. It's looking quite interesting, probably. So my first impression is the watch itself looks quite premium, yeah. It has some nice touches. I like this shiny black color, but at the same time I would say they could have added some more premium straps for the watch. I would have liked to see a stainless steel bracelet for this watch, you know, that would really step up the game. But otherwise, OnePlus, well done, not too bad. Okay, you can see OnePlus here, this logo as well. It's looking really nice as well. I'll be coming back with a review after some time. It's been a long time since I last used a smartwatch, and it's gonna be quite interesting to see how I will get back to it and how it's gonna feel. But otherwise, there you go. That's OnePlus Watch 2 coming. I believe it's still coming as a free gift if you buy the OnePlus Open. So if you're looking for a smartwatch as well and a foldable phone together, it might be worth looking into the OnePlus Open, yeah. Otherwise, yeah, subscribe if you didn't so far, comment your thoughts below, ask if you have any questions or want to know anything about the watch. You can reply in the comments below, and while I will do my testing, I will try to see how it goes, and I will answer, or I will add your replies in the upcoming video, so you can see what's the story with this watch, yeah. Okay, thanks for watching, and till next time, stay safe.